Hi, today I wanted to guide you through how to create a fully automated BIM checking process. This is something that we talked about in a previous video, so check it out here if you haven't seen it yet. Why is this something that you should want to know about though? Well, if you're a BIM manager, then you are the custodian of quality and standards within the BIM models that you work with. The methodical inspection that you have to undertake involves a meticulous review of elements, classifications and properties, and you no doubt try to ensure a seamless fusion of industry standards and project-specific guidelines. Being a BIM manager means having an unwavering commitment to quality assurance, guaranteeing that each BIM model not only meets but exceeds the highest standards. And there's no denying that it can take a considerable amount of time. That's why the SeveUp app gives you the power to create a BIM Checker dashboard that can auto-check your BIM models and enable your stakeholders and subcontractors to access the information in an easily understandable format. This simple solution will not only free up your time, but will also cut down on the amount of mistakes made in the checking process. All you need to do is convert your Excel file into an IDS file and then combine it with your BIM model IFC file into a SeveUp BIM checking dashboard. So how easy is it to do? Well, to start with, you need to make sure that you have an IDS file ready to add into your dashboard. You'll also need to have your project already created with your BIM model IFC file and your dashboard template added into it. And remember, the BIM Checker dashboard template is provided by SeveUp for free with one of our plans. And if you need help with adding, creating, uploading your IFC files or linking element to your project, then we have tutorials on all of these topics. And we also have a tutorial on how to create an IDS file from our free Excel template with the SeveUp IDS editor feature. I'll drop a link into the description below so that you can check it out. Now let's click on your project and then we'll click on the BIM requirement tab along the top. Now click on Add BIM Requirement. A pop-up will appear, so click on the From the Library. Next, click on the menu button and then select the BIM requirement file that you have already uploaded. Then click OK. This will take us back to the pop-up where we now click on Create. Now we want to create a new dashboard, so click Create Dashboard on the left-hand side here. Then click on the Start button to begin the dashboard wizard. Click on Select Project in the center and then click on Select Existing Project. Select the IDS project that you have already created by checking the box and then clicking on OK. Then click on Next. Now check the box of the Checker dashboard template and click on Next. Then check the box of the BIM model and click on Next again. You'll see all the files that you're selecting coming up on the right hand side of the page to show that they've been added to the dashboard. The last file to add is the BIM requirement file. So check the box on the IDS file and then click on Get Your Dashboards. This will download your new IDS dashboard onto your computer as a PBIT file. For the next part, we'll head over to Microsoft Power BI Desktop, but we'll leave that for the next video where I'll show you exactly how the template works and what you can do with it. As always, check the description for the link to the video. I hope this is going to be a game changer for you in maximizing your time and streamlining your BIM process. Let me know in the comments how you get on with it. We would love to know.